So, hello and welcome to Quantum AI Research Management. Now, so as you can see, our all the documents are uploaded successfully, and now we are ready to ask the question to our chatbot. So, let's move to the main functionality of our application. That is how the responses will coming when the user will going to ask the question to our chatbot. So I actually taken most of the document related with the healthcare department side. So I will going to ask some questions related with document section with the healthcare industry document and check whether the responses are accurate or not. So my first question is, so I catered so many information related with the diseases. So my first question directly open very simple question. So we'll start with the very simple question. What is common symptoms of migraine? So it will first of all going to cater or taking all the information from our document and then will generate the answer. So the most important thing, it will going to give you the answer from internal side of our document. And it will also, you can see here, the references files are also attached. It means it will also indicate you that from which particular document it will going to give you the answers. See, there's a references file. So once you will get your answer, you will also cross check or open those documents and will check from which particular document it giving you the answer. You can see. So these are the two documents from where it taking the answer. So this is the a normal easy level question. Now let me take a some moderate level type of questions in which that particular question will contain multiple number of information. For example, compare and contrast Alzheimer disease, as you can read over here. Compare and contrast Alzheimer disease and Parkinson's disease in terms of their development, symptoms, and treatment approaches. So this is a multi-level question, you can say, or a single question can contain multiple information. Now, let's wait and check how the responses will come for these type of questions. So you can see here, the Alzheimer disease and Parkinson's disease are both progressive neurological disorder, but differ in the development, symptoms, and treatment approaches. And one by one, the pointers related with each specific disease is mentioned over there. First, third is related. 1 to 3 is related with the Alzheimer disease, and 4 to 6 is related with the Parkinson disease. So this complete information is again catering from these two different document part. So if your question is connected with any of the references document, it will going to give you the main two document section onto the top. Now, let's ask a tough level type of question. It means uh, a very depth in level question. For example, discuss how chronic kidney disease and acute kidney injury differ in onset, causes and management strategy, and explain how one condition can lead to the other. So first of all, this particular question is directly indicated with the definition part. First of all, it need to give you the definition about these two different diseases. Then it need to also give you the causes and management strategy and explain how one condition can lead to the other. So it is a combination of the multiple number of question and in-depth information it need to give to you. So just wait for a while. It will give you the answer within few seconds. So as you can see here, first of all, it give you a accurate definition related with the topic, chronic diseases and acute injury, and the complete information about it. Just after when the information completed, the kidney involved in it are related with the chronic kidney disease, the pointers will be there, and related with the acute injury, the pointers will be there. So explain the let's ask one more similar related question. For example, explain the pathopsychological differences between the multiple MS and GBS and describe how these differences influence their clinical presentation and treatment. Let's wait for a few seconds and check the response related with this particular question. So this complete information is actually present inside those document, and it will take a bit time to just getting the accurate information and giving you the precise knowledge over there, or precise accurate answer to you, so that user should not have to think too much about it whether the answer is uh, accurate or not. It should give you the complete information about related with the question part. So multiple scenario you can check. First of all, it will give you the definition related with the topic, and then one by one it will give you the pointers related with that. Now, let's ask some of the off-topic related question. Off-topic related question means the document should not present related with that. And if a user will going to ask any of the question related something, for example, uh, can you tell me about my today's weather? So I do not have any document related with the weather report or today's weather something. So let me ask this particular question to them. Just because if I haven't, if I do not have any document related with this particular things, then I need to get a sorry message on this time. Just because my all the knowledge or my all the document not getting any information related with this particular topic. So just wait for a few seconds and check like what the chatbot will going to reply to us for this question. As you can see, I don't have any information related with this provided document to answer this particular question. It means our chatbot is not or our document is not having any information related with the weather. That's why we are getting this message. Now, let's ask some long length related question. For example, if user wanted to get the information something in detail for any one particular topic, if user wanted to get the information in detail manner, on that time they can how the chatbot will going to reply to us. For example, what is a brain tumor and what is a prostate cancer and what is major depressive disorder. These are the three major injuries. We can say it is a type of it. Please explain these three major diseases in detail. So this is actually a long topic and concise topic, you can we can also say. So chatbot will going to give you the responses accordingly one by one for all the three different sections. So let's see, here are the detailed explanation of all the three major diseases you asked about: brain tumor, prostate cancer, and major depressive disorder. The disorder involved in it are the respective three different pointers. So one by one you will going to read the pointers as well. The thing is that the chatbot will give you the sufficient amount of information related with your topic, so that user can easily able to understand and easily able to get the information. Now, if second, the major uh, issue related with the language also. Like for example, if I am not comfortable with the English language right now, and I am comfortable with my native language, and my if my document is uploading on some uh, Arabic language, Greek language, or Hindi language, or any whatever type of my native language. So on that time, it's completely depend on your user's question type. For example, if I'm comfortable completely in Arabic language, on that case, I will going to type my question in Arabic language. Then the chatbot will also give you the reply on the same language only. So it's totally uh, comfortability, or we can say it is totally dependent on onto the user's perspective, how they are asking the question, on which particular language they are asking the question. The chatbot will going to reply you on the same language, so that at the last user will find the comfortness on that part. So you can see I asked one question related with the Arabic language, the chatbot will going to reply also replied me on the same language. Now let me ask one more question with a different language. So let me pick one another language, like you can see over here. So it's completely for the user well-being, or we can say user easiness, on what type of responses they wanted, how they wanted to get, if they wanted a detailed information, they can mention a detail. Chatbot will going to give you the information in detailed manner. If they wanted a concise, then definitely they will going to get information a point wise. If they wanted to get the information in a multilingual, then they will type a question accordingly, and the chatbot will going to reply according to their user type. So like this, the chatbot will going to reply to us. And initially I asked some of the greeting question also. I think you can able to see that part. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.